Okay, I've been seeing these today. Look at this. Look at this. I find this utterly just incredible to look at how the earth is cracked and this fungus is pushing up through the soil. That takes some strength, some cellular strength. The thing is growing through very compacted desert soil. It's an ink cap mushroom. And I'm gonna just pull this apart so you can see it a little bit. I'm not sure. Oh, there it is. Yeah, ink cap. So desert ink caps, they start to push up out of the soil after it rains, and we just got rain in the last couple days. So all these things are happening out here. This earth is alive. It is alive under our feet. There are things going on like this that are mind-blowing, really.